Tim Albright with AVNation at the CTI National Sales meeting with my buddy Dave Hutton from Samsung. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I am well.
Good. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Always the one.
Well, here's the thing. Whenever Dave comes around, he always brings really cool things, including the thing that our fabulous team is going to put in vivo over this. It's called the All-in-One. Talk about this thing for a second and why this matters.
It's just a product that the market's starting to move away from doing raw LED installs to do LED installs that take a short period of time. So what we came out with was what other people have done is we came out with a set configuration. We have 4 of them now, and these units basically they'll go up within a day. Older units used to take 3, 4, 5 days. This is less than a day, and you're basically going from flat wall to full LED install and being done.
All right, so break it down for somebody who is an IT manager, somebody who's in procurement. What does those extra days mean on the bottom line?
From an end user standpoint, it basically means that you have use of a room in a span of a day versus when you did former LED installs with multiple cabinets and things like that, it would take 3, 4, 5 days to put those things in. Yeah. So this unit basically comes out of the box, plugs in, all the panels snap in, or all the boards kind of slide down, and it's up and ready to go. And we took 3, 4 hours yesterday on this thing, and half the time was the mount that we had to put up.
Well, and you're also saving 3 or 4 days worth of labor on typically 3 to 4 installers, right?
Exactly.
So that's also an actual cost savings in addition to getting your room back.
Yeah, we always recommend two people to put this up because you've got to have people for unpacking.
Still a day though.
Sure. Yeah, so it's 2, and for the AV guys, it's a day. But guess what? You can go do another one the next day and another one the next day where these guys might have been tied up with a project for 3 or 4 days.
Absolutely. When you look at the LED market, especially what Samsung has done, do you see the market changing and the world changing around something like the All-in-One?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. It's just, there's still going to be a lot of custom configurations where people are going to be putting in cabinets and stuff like that. But for the standard everyday boardrooms, the big thing is either 2K or 4K. Yeah. And we have one 4K model. The other 3 that we have are all 2K, and basically it goes in and goes up. And it's such an ease of use to do it. Really where it isn't, and then the pricing's come down to where the old LFD video walls used to be a certain price, and LED was 5x. It's now about 2 to 2.5x the cost of it. Okay. And when you consider the old walls, life expectancy was 40,000 hours. These things are 100,000 hours plus.
Wow.
So big difference.
Huge difference. All right, Mr. Hutton, somebody wants to find out more about the All-in-One or anything else that Samsung is doing. How do they do that?
If you're within conference tech, you call me. You know how to get a hold of me. Other than that, just go to Samsung.com. It's all out there.
All right, very good. Dave Hutton from Samsung for us, for AVNation.
Thank you, guys.
Absolutely. Go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Find more videos from CTA National Sales Meeting and a whole lot more. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.